the Chief Minister, Maryam Nawaz Sharif, is working for every sector, but agriculture being her priority sector for last 2.5 years. And the results we can count, we can witness, we can evaluate, and we can see as we move on the fields of Punjab. Her policy making, the farmer has been the center of her policy decisions, be it mechanization of the agriculture sector, be it her flagship program, which is access to credit to the farmers, the Kisan Card. And I think we have dispersed around 100 billion this year. During our season, it is for 2 crop cycles for the farmers, the access. And I must tell you, when we were starting this program, everybody was skeptical that the farmers will not return their loans. But there is 99% recovery rate of the Kisan Card, which speaks volumes of the trust that the farmer has with the leadership of the Chief Minister, Maryam Nawaz. I would also like to mention here is that the Chief Minister is not only investing in different interventions that we have done over the last 2.5 years, but she's moving from subsistence only from the productivity centric approach to more of the approach that takes the agriculture sector beyond borders and from scale to mechanization, to technology driven, to research, to development, and also participating the youth in the agriculture sector through agri-interns is phenomenal what we have seen over the last 2.5 years. And about diversification, about the climate resilient smart agriculture, the mechanization approach from, I guess, when we started off back in 2024, the agriculture budget. We all talk about, we've been talking about the Agri Department being the backbone of the economy of Pakistan, but investing into the agriculture sector. Maryam Nawaz Sharif is the leadership that has truly invested into the agriculture sector. We started off with 20 billion and then we reached to about 67 billion, 84 this year and 100 billion crossing inshallah next year. This is phenomenal. And again, I would also like to say, we always talk about the challenges, we do talk about the issues in the agriculture sector as well, but I would say that the way the agriculture minister has also worked, it is also, I would like to appreciate, acknowledge, and it is commendable that how he has worked with the farmers, through our agri-malls, through our extension offices, and when we were introducing the mechanization project, I remember, they were the super seeder, again the Chief Minister's flagship program under the smoke control. We only had 300 super seeders across Punjab. And when we started working with the private sector, the capacity of production was so limited that we couldn't reach numbers in the first year. But now, alhamdulillah, as I speak to you, we have crossed about 6,000 super seeders across Punjab that the farmers are using. And not just only for smoke control, that later, of course, added value to the efficiency, the productivity and the cost of the harvesting, that really encouraged the farmers to invest more into the mechanization aspect. And now I think around 70 billion we are investing into mechanization programs for across Punjab. So it's traditional based agriculture to more technology, research based, AI driven, digital systems based agriculture that we are seeing in Punjab. Model agriculture malls have been phenomenal. They've been serving the farmers, the private sector, the corporate sector that we are doing with the Green Initiative Pakistan is also a flagship program. When we started off 2 years back, I remember there was no agriculture mall for the access of inputs, seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, machinery, research for the farmers. We are now present in Punjab and the farmers are benefiting from the agri-malls. And that also again is a flagship project of the Chief Minister Punjab. Then transforming the Potohar region is something that is unprecedented. with small dams, with diversification of crops, with the local farmers at the Pothohar region has been the critical area that the Chief Minister is monitoring herself also and looking after periodically. And I must also tell you that the agriculture meeting the Chief Minister chairs almost every week as we have evolved and completed the journey over 2.5 years. Ladies and gentlemen, this conference and this forum is very, very important, and the timing is very important also, because we are embarking on a journey which is the economic transformation of Punjab under the leadership of Chief Minister Punjab that we are working on for last 2 months, and agriculture sector is the backbone of that economic transformation that we are compiling and constituting, and the Chief Minister will be unveiling that to the private sector, to the industry, to the farmers also in coming days. And that's something which this conference will of course feed into, because the private sector sitting here, the investors sitting here, the business community, the stakeholders sitting here, the international community that's sitting here, and our friends who have transformed Vietnam and Bangladesh, who have transformed their agriculture into generation, and we are also embarked to do the same in coming 3 years, as the plan is short term, medium term and long term. It also entails the climate resilient, climate smart production, value addition that Ashik was just talking about, the value chain, logistics, storage, and also the credible export that we are looking at with certification and compliance as well. We have just established the project that was started by the Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, and he was the Chief Minister, the Punjab Agriculture, Food and Drug Authority, and we have completed that project, the Chief Minister, and we've inaugurated that 2 months back. The credibility, the certification, the international compliance in agriculture sector, we are ready as a province, as Pakistan, because we all know the export challenges that we used to have in terms of compliance and certification, but that's also there now in Punjab. Then modern agriculture processing, the storage, the transport, the logistics, and also beyond borders, market driven, market demand, and the value chain that we are working on. For the first time, the departments are sitting together, integrated transformational change in about 7 sectors across Punjab, which the Chief Minister will be unveiling soon. I think the digital advisory and the AI systems across decision-making support is also something that the Chief Minister, in all her sectors and all her interventions, IT, technology and AI is the center of her policy making in all the sectors across Punjab. We will be of course moving from a commodity export driven to more end-to-end value chain and value addition, transformational change in the agriculture sector. We will also be inviting all the stakeholders, all the diplomatic community and our partners from ADB, World Bank, FAO to unveil the economic transformation of Punjab Plan 2029. Another thing that of course Punjab offers scale, Punjab offers the demand by the consumers, the consumer basket, and one thing that Punjab offers is the political will in the shape of Maryam Nawaz Sharif to not just invest into the productivity of the crops that Ashik just mentioned, but also invest into the value addition, value chains, and research is something that we're looking after. So to our partners, in the end, I would like to mention, one, the launch of the agribusiness study, which we will be launching today, the agriculture policy revision, of course, the agribusiness program together, of course, is the strongest external partnership the sector will enjoy through this study, and we will be looking forward, Emma, to working with your team how to diversify more research-oriented interventions in our economic transformation as well. To our FAO partner, your technical partnership, of course, your technical assistance has been very, very instrumental, I would say, in our interventions as well. The livestock sector, first time the agriculture and the livestock sector, with all other sectors like industry, like aqua shrimp farming that we have introduced for the first time, unprecedented. There are lots of first times in Punjab over the last 2 years, and aqua culture, aqua economy is something that we have heavily invested. 70 billion rupees going into our aquaculture economy that we have unleashed, unveiled to Punjab, to Pakistan for the first time. Then, of course, our speakers from Vietnam, China and Bangladesh, I would like to thank you for your presence, for coming also with your expertise, with your experience in the room. We will benefit a great deal in transforming our journey that we have embarked upon under the leadership of the Chief Minister. I would also request all the partners, Punjab is ready. As we speak, readiness to invest into the agriculture sector, in the industry sector, in tourism, in IT, in skill development. Skill development has been also very, very critical to Chief Minister's Punjab vision. That also the domestic demand-driven skill development and international certification demand-driven skill development also, and skill development has been instrumental in agriculture sector by the introduction of the agri-interns that we have, the young students, the young graduates from universities and colleges we have made participating in the agriculture sector over the last 2 years. So a reform, a transformation where the farmers benefit, the community benefit, the stakeholders benefit, the business benefits is the main pinning point of the Chief Minister. It is underpinned by the technology, by mechanization and participation from the private sector. Public-private partnership is the backbone of the economic transformation that the Chief Minister will be unveiling in coming days. Unlocking the private capital is another area that we are looking forward, because the governments cannot do anything alone, standalone in isolation. It has to be the business sector, it has to be the private sector of the country, and that is what we are trying to achieve.